Welcome you guys to JD's English Club. Let's practice a small office conversation. Did you hear the office rumor? Did you hear the office rumor? आपण ऑफिस गुजब सुनी छंते की? No, I didn't. What's happening? No, I didn't. What's happening? ना, मु सुनिनी. कौन होची? They are going to lay off several people this month. They are going to lay off several people this month. एही मास सेमाने अनेक लोगों को चाकरी रो बाहर करबा को जाउछंती. Where did you hear this? Where did you hear this? आपण केउंठ सुनिले कथा? I heard it from Ramesh. I heard it from Ramesh. मु याकु रमेश पाखरु सुनिली. Are you worried? Are you worried? आपण चिंतित की? Yes, I've only been here for 6 months. Yes, I've only been here for 6 months. हाँ, मु एठी मात्र 6 मास हेबा अछि. Then I should be more worried than you. Then I should be more worried than you. ताहल तो मोर आपनकठु अधिक व्यस्त हेबार कथा. Everyone likes you here. Why? Everyone likes you here. काहे की आपनकु तो समस्त एठी पसंद करंती. I've only been here for 4 months. I've only been here for 4 months. मु एठी मात्र 4 मास ला अछि. Okay, we'll talk up this later. Okay, we'll talk up this later. ठीक अछि. आमे एही विषय रे परे कथा हेबा. Let's have our lunch now. Let's have our lunch now. चलो बे लॉन्च करिबा. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, let's see what will happen. ठीक अछि. देखिबा कोन हेबो. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video if you find it helpful. Subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends, family and whoever interested in learning English. Take care and keep practicing. Bye.